Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWK tutorials, how to create circle by boundary. Click sketch and go to top plane, click OK. If you want to create circle, you can click the circle icon. And then to set the circle by boundary, you can click at these icons, boundary. First you need to select for center point, I will click in here. And for boundary, I will set into 100 and press enter to apply. Can click and it will be automatically create circle by boundary. I will click again this circle and I will click in here for center point. We set a boundary size into 50 and press enter again to apply into drawing. Okay, you can active by clicking circle at center point and then set boundary size into 25. Press enter and then you can click in drawing area to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic ZW3D, how to create circle by boundary. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.